Pong Sets Beer road trip. And we're heading down to the Belching Beaver Brewery in Vista, California. They're doing their limited release today of Old Dirty, the Russian Imperial Stout, and we're gonna go try it. So sit back, relax. We'll be there in a moment. Enjoy my crack. You got that sourpuss?
It's good.
Sourpuss?
It's good for a sour.
That's interesting. It's to figure it out, the sake.
The sake one?
It's good, it's different.
The main event, we've got the Old Dirty Barrel. 10.5 APV, limited release, Belching Beaver. It's the Imperial Russian Stout.
Oh, no, brutal. It already smells like a certain something.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Now, I think it's a new feature. That's some shoyu sauce. You should have a...
But it's good.
It's rough, but it's good.
It is pretty rough.
But it's rough. It's not like the other ones where like the burn takes away. Like it's... You got that barrel burn,
It's got that new...
It lets you ride. You ride the way.
Yeah.
It's not like fun.
No, but it's hitting hard. It's hitting hard. That's why I'm a stout guy.
He likes it when it hits hard.
He likes it what?
When it hits my tongue, it starts...
You see that?
Yeah.
You see that?
Starts smacking that uvula like an old cartoon.
That's brisk, baby. That's strong. I'd go 8, 1 through 10. I think after this taster, I'll be done. I think that's all I'm going to be able to handle. And the ABV is, I mean, it's high, but it's not as high as some of the other bourbon barrel ages we've ever had. But it's the burn, like they were saying, the burn is not that bad in terms of overpowering and whatnot. It's kind of goes with the burn, the bourbon. It's all kind of nice and melded. Almost got kind of like a hazelnut taste to it a little bit. A little hazelnut.
I'm gonna have to go 8.5 because as stouts go, it's not making my heart sing, but it's fucking smooth. It's good. You definitely know it's a barrel from the scent and the taste, and it's not harsh, which is good. It's like it gives you that smooth ride, so you're enjoying it. It's got that shoyu goodness. It's gonna kick your ass. It's delicious.
It's going to. That's why I gotta stop.
So yeah, 8.5 because it's fucking good. It's better than most. It's not the dick tingler.
I had high expectations for ODB because I'm a big Belching fan.
I thought you were gonna say a big Wu-Tang fan.
Belching Beaver. I was gonna say Buffy Beaver ain't nothing to fuck with, but no, this thing delivered. I've been waiting for a while. Grade 9. Because it is making my nuts.
His shoyu
Basically, the show
tingling.
you sing.
316. 3 plus 6 plus 1 is...
That's length and girth.
Yeah.
Just like a can of soup.
And delivery. 1.
You ever get fucked with a tuna can sideways?
Grade is a 9. I love it. It tastes really good. It's that new feeling out of it.
You got the feeling.
You gotta sip it. I just took a good drink and I'm like coffee.
That's what I like about it. I don't like being reminded how human I am when I think of sip of beer. That's what's
TJ.
good about it.
Don't talk over the TJ. People don't like that.
TJ ain't been talking to me.
I give it a 7.
Oh my God,
7? Yeah, I give it a 7. An old witch. I do need to cut my hair. No, I give it a 7. I'm not a big fan of like stouts and all that stuff anyway, so. But It's better than what I usually give stouts.
True.
Which you should point out, it doesn't like chocolate.
He doesn't like chocolate, he doesn't like coffee. He is a hater of much.
And I look like an old witch.
So if you have a,
Yeah,
if you have a
hairy
beer
done
that tastes like a combination of coffee and chocolate, he's not gonna like it. Period.
Try some of that Josh to cut the edge off.
Yeah, it's really smooth and creamy and tasty. And he goes
If
down
you can
smooth.
show up to Belching Beaver to have it, because it looks like you can't get bottles or a cask.